Hey guys, Steve from Internet City Computers Detroit here with another tip from my channel Fix It Right. Today I'm going to show you how to clone an old SATA drive to an NVMe drive, which is a solid state drive, a lot quicker. What I use, the tools I usually use Ghost. I like Ghost. That can be found on the Strelec USB. You can download Strelec offline. I'll leave a link in the comments below so you can find it, and then easy enough, follow the directions, make sure everything's installed correctly. Let's get at it. Okay, so after we have Strelec downloaded and set up on our flash drive, we're going to insert it in our USB slot there on our computer. We're going to start up the computer. We're going to boot it to the flash drive and get Strelec going. So this is a Dell, so it's F12 for the boot menu. Here we go. We're going to storage device. Okay, here we go. We got Strelec WinPE 11, 10. 64-bit. We're gonna go with the 10. It's like a sure shot usually. 11, kind of skittish, doesn't matter. 10 or 11. We're only running some utilities with inside Strelec. The interface of Strelec looks similar to Windows, so you shouldn't get too lost. Give it a minute to load. Okay, so we're going to go down to the Start menu, go over to the Programs, Backup and Restore, and then we're going to go down to Ghost. I like Ghost. I've used Ghost for years. We're going to choose number uno, enter, start Ghost. Okay, we're gonna go local disk to disk. This is my SSD. That's gonna be the source drive. This is my NVMe. That is my destination drive. Click OK. Sets up the partitions automatically. Yes, yes, and voila, let it clone. Hopefully it'll finish with no errors. Then we can pull out the SSD, boot it to the NVMe, and see how it went. Right here it tells you the elapsed time, how many megabytes are left, how many megs it copied, the speed, percentage, and the estimated time remaining. Usually it's pretty accurate if it doesn't run into any issues. And okay, so here we didn't get any errors and we can continue. Now we're just going to quit. Close all this out. Yes, we want to quit. We're going to reboot. We're going to pull out our flash drive and we're going to boot to F12 again. We're going to boot to the NVMe. Hopefully it boots fine. We can pull out the SSD and we're good to go. Looks so good so far. And there we go. Windows healed itself. And we're good to go on the boot. So now we're going to run System File Checker just to make sure all the files are healthy and call it a day. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Leave your comments below. Come on back for more Fix It Right. Until then, adios.